Winner na, panalo pa ang combo na ito. IMG member ka, plus Kaiser Saver ka, panalo talaga. Bakit? Kasi yung IMG membership mo, of course, separate yung benefits nun. Membership, meron kang benefits for your financial education, meron kang benefits to access different financial companies within sa IMG, at meron ka ding benefit to have a business in the financial industry. Meron ka pa ngang automatic na savings sa Super PDF kapag ka ikaw ay IMG member. Again, one-time membership fee of 6,000 pesos ang IMG. Ito po ay isang membership platform company, financial education company. Ngayon, kung ikaw naman, Kaiser Saver din, aside doon sa pagiging IMG member mo, yung Kaiser, syempre, healthcare yan. Now, it doesn't matter kung anong plan ang kinuha mo sa iyong Kaiser Healthcare, panalo ka dahil 3 benefits naman